Welcome to Data Solution. Hope you are doing well. In this video, we will learn about how to load data from Azure Blob Storage into Snowflake. In this video, we will also learn about how to create a storage account, creating Azure container, loading file into a container, creating Azure pipeline to copy data from Azure Blob Storage into Snowflake successfully, and also we learn about linked service, dataset, and much more. So before going forward, I request you viewer to please subscribe the channel and give thumbs up. It is really helpful to motivate me. So now let's get started. Now first step to create a storage account. You can directly create a storage account by clicking here or go to home page, and now you can create a resource. So click here to create a resource and you can search here storage account. Click here. You are on the marketplace. Now click here to create a storage account. You can see here a storage account. Click here to create. Now you are on the page of create a storage account. So choose appropriate subscription. I am choosing free trial and resource group my RG Snowflake. You can create also new resource group and give unique name, a storage account name. This should be lowercase and number. So it should be unique across Azure portal. So I am giving stg for Snowflake data loading. I am giving name. So this should be unique. It's accept this name and choose appropriate region. I am choosing Center India because my Snowflake also belong to Center India, and performance is standard. Standard means hard disk and premium means SSD. So choose appropriate. I am choosing a standard for learning purpose, and redundancy I am choosing locally redundant storage because this is cheapest. Click next. I am choosing by default. Also network choosing by default. Make sure to click on enable public access for all network. Choosing data protection by default as well. I am choosing all by default. You can click here review and create to validate. Validation in progress. Validation completed. Now click here to initialize the deployment, and deployment it is in progress, so it's take a while, so please wait. Still deployment in progress. Deployment is completed, so storage account created successfully. Now go to resource, and this is the overview of storage account. So now you can choose option. This is the list of option. Now I am going to data storage, which is container, file share, quiz, table. All we have discussed these on upcoming video. Now as for now I am creating container to upload file. So click here to create container. Give name order data set. This is like a file name. So click here to upload some file. Click here to load. Now browse file. I am loading one file. I am loading this order Azure dataset. Upload. This file loaded successfully. Now go to again storage account. Click here or click here to home and click here for storage account. This is my storage account. Hide this and go to access control and add rule assignment. Please wait. Now choose here, type here storage blob. It's still loading. Now type here storage blob. Yeah, you choose here storage blob data contributor. So this storage access by Data Factory. I am choosing store blob data to read, write, delete access of this storage account. So click here. Now I am choosing select member. I am choosing data, type here Data Factory, which I created already. How to create Data Factory you can watch from previous video. ADF playlist you can watch how to create Data Factory. So click here to give access to Data Factory. Click next, or you can review and assign. I am assigning role, so Azure Data Factory can read or write. So review and adding role assignment. Now I am going to Data Factory. Click here manage, and I am creating link service to make connection. This is a link service to make connection. So I am creating new. Select here a Snowflake. Continue. Give name. I am giving as ls for link service, and write here a Snowflake. Description leave blank. Choosing integration service as by default, and account name go to Snowflake, and you can choose here account name by clicking here, go to here account, and go to and click here. This is a URL, and choose here account name. Okay, so copy this, go to a Snowflake, go to Azure portal, and type here. This is a account name, and choose your account name, and I am choosing my DB here, my DB, and warehouse compute WH. You can choose from here, go to admin, and this is your warehouse. Choose appropriate warehouse. In my case, compute WH. Okay. Authentication, I am authentication basic, and type here username. In my case, data world solution. Type here your username and type password. I am choosing basic authentication, so I am typing password. Role I leaving blank. Now go to here. Now you can click here to test the connection. This is testing connection. To project, you can also choose here Azure. This is my typing mistake, so you have to choose here Azure. Now again click here to test connection. Yeah, connection is successful. Now click here to create. Snowflake link service is created. Now create dataset link service. So I type here blob, Azure Blob Storage. Continue. Type here ls order data set. So you have to choose here SaaS service to load data from Azure Blob Storage to Snowflake. Uh, Basic authentication account key is here not working, so I am choosing here SAS URL. And how to put here SAS URL? Go to again storage account, and go to share link, shared access signature, and type here service container object all of tick here, and choose here date like I am choosing 15 and generate SAS. Okay, and for blob service SAS URL, copy this key and go to data factory and paste here. Now again test connection is successful. Now create again two link service created for Snowflake and our dataset. Now go to, I am on the manage page and now I am going to other page. So now I have to create dataset. So click here and create new dataset for Azure. Click here Azure Storage. Continue. Previously I am creating link service. Now I am creating dataset. So my file is delimiter text. So I am choosing delimiter text and continue. Type here appropriate name, order, data set, selecting link service ls order dataset and choose here ds for dataset and go to here and choose from a specific path order, and this is my dataset as we upload previously, and import schema I am choosing none and okay. Need to choose row delimiter /r and /n. Okay, and compression is leave it blank. You can also test connection from here. I am already tested, so no need to do this again. Schema I am leaving this as default. So connection is created and now publish save it, save publish to save this connection. Now again creating new data set. Now this time I am choosing Snowflake. Choose this one, Snowflake. Continue link service ls Snowflake which is created. Choose here ds Snowflake dataset and give it order table. I choosing order table. Here order table I created in a Snowflake, this one. Let's again create, and in this table not record for now, you can see here. So I am choosing here order table and click here to create dataset. Dataset created. Now go to pipeline. This is a Snowflake pipeline. I am creating new pipeline. Okay, minimize this. Also I am minimizing. I am on the pipeline one. So giving this name Snowflake Blob and give it a prefix PL for pipeline. Pipeline you give Azure Blob Azure to Snowflake. Okay. Now I am moving data from Azure storage to Snowflake. This is simple. In upcoming video you will learn other transformation as well. This video limit for copy data transformation only. Upcoming video we learn more, and give it name copy dataset. I am copy order dataset to Snowflake. Give name appropriate name and source is my order dataset. Okay, and leaving this as by default. You can choose also wildcard. So I am choosing a file name here and sync is my Snowflake. Okay, and mapping by default I am leaving it. And now let's publish, means saving. You can also validate before publishing. So first it's all you can also click here to validate. Your factory has been validated. If you have any error, you can see here. So validation is completed, means no, nothing in our case error give. So go to again here, close this and debug to run. Running in progress. Let's wait. You can click here to monitor. So I am waiting. So succeeded this copy data pipeline, Azure Data Pipeline. Go to Snowflake. Now run this query to see data. Here is data loaded. Okay, 24 row loaded because in our data set there is only 24 row. So you can see here time is duration is 15 seconds, and you can also see row written is 24 row pass, and you can also see here in a Snowflake 24 row only. So in this video we will see about how to load data from Azure Blob container to a Snowflake table. We will learn more about Azure in upcoming video, so stay tuned. So that's all about in this video. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe the channel and give thumbs up. It is really helpful to motivate me. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.